What's up, everybody? Man, I tell you what, I wasn't planning on filming this weekend, but this is just not too pretty not to share. So myself, my son, my nephew, my brother, and my dad, we're out here in the Ozarks of Arkansas camping in this sweet little tucked away hidey hole. I'll show y'all the camp in a minute, but it's right up there. I'm out looking for some more firewood because it's going to get in the 20s tonight, and it's also a 90% chance of rain this evening. So whatever firewood we get, we need to make sure we go ahead and get it. Although it's been sleeting and all that up here, there's a lot of ice out, but I want to get some more firewood before it gets saturated tonight. But man, there's a rock face over here that we got our tent set up right next to a campfire. It is a perfect little spot, man. It's beautiful out here. But I'm gonna take y'all along with me for a little bit of this camping trip and show y'all a little bit. There's a little waterfall right here beside the campground, but it's a beautiful spot. So I'm gonna get some firewood and I'll catch y'all at the camp a little bit later. Then we're gonna go hiking and cook on the campfire later. This looks like a good piece right here. I'm gonna cut her off right here, carry her on back to the campground. Here we go. This log will last us a while, I think. Try not to fall in this ice. What's that?
Ice.
Ice? Ice. What was he gonna eat?
Who?
Yep.
It's way down here. Hey.
Who would carry all the tent?
Mommy. Look what we found. A spatula. Whoa. What's that? Here's the leg. Oh, it's a spatula. It's beautiful. Oh, come on. Daddy?
Yeah.
Can we come back here? Can we come back here in the summer where it's warmer? And swimming. Maybe you can jump from it.
You think?
Water is amazing. Temperature is cold. Yes, we can come over here. Sir? No, we didn't.
Barrett, stop. Barrett, how deep you think that is? How deep you think that is? How deep you think that water is? I bet it's deeper than that. No. Yeah. Slide. All right, so we're just out hiking a little bit. We found that secret little waterfall back there, and we're taking a different trail back. We're actually gonna follow the creek back to the camp. This is the same creek that's up by our tents. So I got my nephew, and that's my dad in the background with the orange hat. My son and my nephew's ahead of him. And my brother Aaron is at the camp, tending to the camp and cutting firewood and doing all the camp stuff. So, man, this is just awesome to come out here and just, even though we're only staying for one night, it's just awesome to get out. And no cell phone service, absolutely none. Just primitive camping out here in the middle of the wilderness. Just nothing bothering you. Y'all get out here and do this stuff. Let's keep going and see what else we can get into. Perfect camping spot right here. We got that rock face and a little recessed spot in the side of this mountain. Hey, chilling? What you doing? I'm videoing. My brother put some tarps over our tents just in case. Huh?
Not about dark yet.
No, we still got a little while. How's the fire?
It's going good. Still see some flame.
That's for me and my brother gonna sleep. And then
My grandpa, me, and my
son.
cousin are going to sleep in there.
What?
Me, my cousin, and my grandpa are going to sleep in there.
Yep. Where's Isaac?
I don't know.
Isaac,
Yeah?
what you doing?
On northerly sea.
You found the thing to put in the fire? Wait. I feel how. Feel.
Take them off.
Look, I'm steaming. They're steaming.
Take off your own.
That's
Can you
because
help
of the air.
Let's see what
You ready?
this one is.
It's the air, I'm telling you.
Now I'm gonna pull off this sock
Yo, he is.
and then this sock.
He is
Let me
so
see.
way
Be still. Your feet steaming?
So much better than
They're steaming.
My, what?
Yep.
Hey, Dad. Before you sit down, can you give me my sock?
Your feet cold.
Isaac,
Guys, you ready?
you ready?
I think we're ready yet.
Up. It might have got hung up.
Hey, Isaac.
Let me get another one. All right, we're just out hiking again. We're about to try to climb to the top of that mountain. That's actually, I thought the rock was falling. That's actually the same rock face where our camp is back there. Way back that way. Same rock face. We're gonna try to climb to the very top of it and look over. And there's a big old mountain. Right back there. Way up there. We ain't gonna fool with that one. That's a sure enough one. Where we're camping is
We made it to the top of the mountain.
down here somewhere.
Well,
Hey,
top of the mountain.
yeah, this is
We can see a lot from here.
the top of the mountain where we was trying to get.
It's perfect.
You can see a lot, huh?
Dad, look down and tell me if you can see our camp.
I made it. I made it up here. There's our truck. There's the face. Hey, hey! My brother's down there. Like everything. I can hear him hollering.
I can't hear him at all.
Made it. Ooh. There's my brother. Let's look at him. Where's he at? Hey! He's right there. No, he's not. He's right there. My brother's fixing to walk down all around this mountain and meet us on the backside where we just came from. My dad made it.
Whoa!
There's my son, Isaac. I ain't gonna let him come down here. Like it's straight down.
Wait a minute. Not
Yeah, spam and cheese.
Whoa.
get it.
Barrett couldn't go without the switch.
Dad, there's nothing I can do.
You good, Dad?
Excellent. Good stuff.
Chicken.
Oh yeah, they got one on a tripod and one.
Well, unfortunately, it's starting to rain and it's thundering off in the distance a little bit, so it's good and cold out here. It's probably gonna get about 25 degrees a night, but here in the next 30 minutes to an hour, we're fixing to call it a night. So we've had a pretty good day. Got us a good campfire going back there. It's been a good night. It's been a good day. Well, we slept pretty good last night and didn't get too cold. It's probably in the 20s right now. They got the fire going, so I'm fixing to get up, get out, start warming up, maybe drink some coffee.
You should have saw that smoke boiling up there a while ago. It makes you know that.
Sleep good, buddy?
Yes, sir.
You get cold at all?
A little bit. Ah. Oh, wait, put my shoes on.
Huh? Rained a lot last night, didn't it?
It did.
All right, we're about to wrap it up. We just ate some breakfast, got a little bit of coffee. It's about 9 o'clock right now. It's pretty cold down in here. There's still ice on the trees. That rain last night came through and pretty much rained all night long. But we got a good night's rest, got a good breakfast. We had a great time. We were fortunate enough to find this, my brother came and scouted out this spot before we came. And we were able to find this spot. And when it started raining, our campfire never got wet because it was protected by that bluff face where it kind of juts in right there, and the fire never got wet. So it was a great camping spot. We were fortunate enough to have that spot, but we're about to tear down camp and head back to Louisiana. And my brother and nephew, they actually live about an hour away, but me, my dad, and my son, we got about 4 to 5 hours, somewhere in there, 3, something like that, drive home. And like I say, we're about to tear down camp. Appreciate y'all coming with me real quick on this little trip. It was a last minute filming effort for this trip. I wasn't gonna film, but man, it's just too pretty out here not to share it. So y'all have a good day. God bless, and thanks for coming with us. Catch y'all next time. Throw it on there, boy. Don't get it all over you.
Get out of here. There you go.
I'll get another one if you want.
Okay.